In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Zoho Books step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Zoho Books is a powerful cloud accounting software that helps you manage invoices, track expenses, and connect your bank so you always know where your money is going. The best part is that once you understand the basic workflow, managing your business finances becomes much easier and far more organized. In this guide, we'll cover the 3 most important parts of Zoho Books: recording money coming in, tracking money going out, and connecting your bank account so everything stays accurate automatically. If you run a business, do freelancing, or manage finances for clients, this will help you streamline your accounting. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and start with the first step, which is recording sales using invoices. When money comes into your business, Zoho Books tracks it through the sales section. To create an invoice, start by opening Zoho Books and looking at the left sidebar. Click on Sales, then select Invoices. Once you're inside the Invoices page, click the New button to create a brand new invoice. Now you'll see the invoice creation screen where you can enter all the important details. First, choose the customer you're billing. If the customer doesn't exist yet, you can quickly create a new contact right from the screen. Next, add the service or product you are charging for. Zoho Books allows you to create items for services, products, or recurring work, which helps keep your invoices consistent and organized. After selecting the item, enter the quantity, price, and any applicable tax if needed. You can also add notes, payment terms, or attachments if you want to give your client more details. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Send. Zoho Books will generate the invoice and email it directly to your customer, making the payment process smooth and professional. And that's how you record money coming into your business using invoices. Next, let's talk about tracking money leaving your business, which is just as important for accurate bookkeeping. To record expenses in Zoho Books, go back to the left sidebar and click Purchases. From there, select Expenses. This section allows you to log any money your business spends, such as software subscriptions, office supplies, travel costs, or marketing expenses. To add a new expense, click the New button. Now enter the expense details, including the amount you paid and the vendor or business you paid it to. After that, choose the correct category for the expense. Categories help you organize your spending and make it easier to understand where your money is going. For example, if you purchased pens or paper for your workspace, you might categorize that under office supplies. If you paid for an online tool, you might categorize it as software or subscriptions. You can also attach receipts or supporting documents to keep everything documented for accounting and tax purposes. Once you've entered the details, simply save the expense and Zoho Books will record it in your financial reports. Now that you know how to track money coming in and money going out, the next step is connecting your bank account so Zoho Books can automatically import transactions. This is one of the most powerful features in the platform because it keeps your accounting accurate without manual entry. To do this, click on Banking in the sidebar. Inside the banking section, look for the option to add a new bank account. Click Add Bank Account and then search for your bank from the list. Zoho Books supports connections with many major banks, allowing secure transaction syncing. Once you find your bank, follow the prompts to sign in and authorize the connection. After the connection is complete, Zoho Books will start importing your transactions automatically. You can then review each transaction and match it with an invoice, expense, or category. This process is called reconciliation, and it ensures your records match your actual bank activity. Over time, Zoho Books will even learn how to categorize transactions automatically, saving you even more time. And just like that, you now understand the 3 core parts of using Zoho Books: sending invoices to record income, logging expenses to track spending, and connecting your bank account to keep everything synchronized. Once these pieces are set up, Zoho Books becomes an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances with clarity and confidence. If this video helped you learn how to use Zoho Books, ensure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.